In this video, I'll show you how to move your Nintendo Switch screenshots and videos to a microSD card to free up storage and keep your internal memory clear. Let's get started. First, make sure to properly insert the SD card on your Switch and ensure it's running properly. After that, from your Switch home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, scroll down to Manage Screenshots and Videos. Open it. From here, under the Copy/Delete Screenshots and Videos section, tap on System Memory. Now select Copy all screenshots and videos to microSD card. This will start copying after this. And you're all set. And that's how you can easily move your screenshots and videos to SD card on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helps you manage your Switch storage, hit like, subscribe, and comment on how much space you freed up. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.